What's up, everybody? Matthew found him a hot water heater. We're gonna... Hang on now, buddy. Don't pick the whole thing up by yourself. Better hurry. He's gonna pick it up and hurt his arm. About to turn the cat. Dang it, Matt. Ah! Well, you got this. We got that tote of stuff. I took stuff apart yesterday, me and Matt did. And a little bit of shredding. We're gonna see if we can top off this shred load. I gotta stop at my house out of the S10 or the Sonoma and get some stuff out of the back of it. And we'll see if we can add some more to it. It's a wet day, so I don't know what all we'll find, but we'll do our best. That's stainless. Always getting the cans out of the back of your truck. I sold the trailer last night for 125 bucks. We didn't pay nothing for it, so now we gotta get some more stuff. All right, let's see if what we can find. We're gonna scrap our, found a better chair for the storage unit, but this one got a crack right there, and it pinches you right there, so it's getting recycled. Yeah, it's comfortable though, besides pinching you. What's he gonna dig out? Got the dumpster on his head. Here comes Santa Claus walking down the street, guys. I don't think there's anything in there. Oh, Xbox game. Final Fantasy. Cool. We need to go to the game store and sell those ones I found out here not too long ago. See, there's Santa. He's walking away his cookies. Bill, Santa Claus is walking down the street. Alright, I'll let y'all know if he finds anything else. I want to get the shred out of the Sonoma while we're here. Short still on that. That's aluminum. Let's get rid of these darn things. That's aluminum. I think this is all shred. There's cans in the bottom. Yeah. Wake the neighbors. It's just cleaner. Pipe cleaner. I didn't either. It's alright. I don't care. People wants to see us pick up more cans. I guess I'll grab these two for you guys. Nothing in the dumpster though. All they got for the scrap man today. Broken cast iron pot. A lamp. Cool. Thanks, folks. Let's see if this got anything today. A piece of pizza. I got nothing. This is one I check every day, folks, so I know what's underneath it for the most part. Shampooer, we cut the cord off like 2 days ago. I know it. Matt got a fan. Well, better than nothing. Little bitty motor in it, huh? It's greasy too. It must have been from the catfish shack up there. Steel rim, looky there. Yay! Found something. Crash! They always set stuff out. Some people do. Oh, there's some stuff in here. There's some aluminum screen. I think I can get them with the... Let me grab the hook. Oh, a laptop. Didn't see that. Heck yeah. And phones? Damn. Alright. I'm going to put them in the bag, but just because they're wet and nasty. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna grab a hook where we can get them screens. What? Oh, okay. Oh, that screen. That screen's got dog poop on top of it. I ain't scared of dog poop. Oh, there is another laptop. See if I can get that laptop. Where was it? Right here. That's cool. Some e-wasty stuff. I see some. There's a. I don't tell what's in the bottom of this thing. empty bucket. Cool. We stuck next to a gut truck. Y'all ever been stuck next to a gut truck? It don't smell good, does it, Matt? I'll grab a TV, and there's a table on back there. I guess that's been rained on. I don't know about it, but I'm gonna grab the TV. It's a big one. You want to leave it? Yeah, let's leave it. It's got a plastic back and stuff. I can take it apart and get it. I don't want to. This thing, I don't think that'd be worth it. That TV right now. Let's get some roadkill real quick. It might be plastic, I don't know. No, it's metal. Before somebody hits it. Well, I guess we'll empty our truck out here at Cunningham's. $6,040. Oh, we're gonna get $10 a piece.
Oh, girl. There's my camper shell.
It is. Somebody's buying it.
Somebody did over here. Oh.
How's this guy waiting? We ain't waiting.
And this dude better come on because I will pull up right behind him.
I don't know. I don't want him to back up, so I guess we'll back up right here. There's a little pile already started there, so we'll just add to it. Sitting right there, yeah. We're gonna set more stuff. That's all right. There we go. Your berries. Alright. Winner. Go see how much we get. go see if we made millions or not. What's up, Chris?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good, bud. How are you?
All right. All right. Thank you, bro. Have a good one.
You too, buddy.
$27. Made millions, didn't we? 320 pounds. Which is, yeah, that's what was out there today. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So we broke even. $27.20, Matthew. Millions. There you go. Well, we're back at the office. Let y'all see the mess. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. We could haul off some short long iron, but we gotta go pick up some more or dig some more out here shortly. But I don't know if we're gonna do anything else or not. Matt's putting all their coins in the jar. That's our Christmas bonus.
It's gonna be a sad Christmas.
Won't be enough to get us some Mickey Donalds. So what did we get that was not shreddable on that go? We got a cord, lamp that maybe brass or aluminum. Looks kind of faded. I'll check it. Let's check it. Y'all guys want to help me check it? See if we got any brass before the last we got aluminum. I guess I should stick a magnet to it. There. Aluminum. Looks like I thought. And we got two laptops. We have two laptops, steel wheel, some aluminum, cell phones, a busted cast iron pot. Well, that's pretty cool, but we'll just sell the short iron since it's all busted. I bet they let water freeze in it last winter and it froze and cracked it. I bet you that's what happened. But it's like 75 degrees out here today, so I bet we get some more tornadoes and stuff tonight. Or soon. It feels like tornado weather. But I'd like to appreciate y'all. I know it wasn't much, but glad y'all hung out with us. But y'all guys have a good one. I'll see y'all on the next one. Story time. Y'all ready? We went to go deliver a, excuse you, Matt. Went to go deliver a stove for a lady, and on the way back found all this good scrap. Washer, dishwasher, and a fridge. So it's crazy that what you find when you're not trying to find it. Get the brass off there, get the motor off there. That's a fancy strap. Where'd you get that at?
I don't remember.
All right, I'm gonna unload this thing. Fancy strap warehouse. All right, I'm gonna load this. Guys, thanks for watching.